What's going on, YouTube? Tall as fuck YouTube channel here, and today we are going to do a car wash with one of my good friends who currently also owns a 2019 STI. And stay tuned, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. It is. Bro, you have thicker exhaust. Mine is very like raspy. It's not as deep.
Yeah, you definitely.
There you go. Alright guys, so we're gonna give you guys a little drive-by of a 2019 STI, which is my friend's, and he has the Remark catback exhaust, non-resonated. Hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah. Go, give it.
Go back?
Yeah.
Alright, fuck this guy. Let's just drive. Hey Kareem, fuck you.
anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the car wash video between the two STIs, my 2020 STI base and my good friend's 2019 STI Lapis Blue base. And soon we're gonna collaborate and come out with a video discussing the differences between a 2019 base and a 2020 base. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for upcoming STI videos. Any questions or anything you guys have regarding, this topic, write it down in the comment section down below. And as usual, guys, stay COVID-19 free and have a wonderful and beautiful day. Later, guys.